Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we will study sentences of simple past tense. Simple past tense. The structure of simple past tense is subject, V2, object. Sometimes we add adverbial to that object. So we often make use of V2 form. Okay. For example, I played kho-kho. मी खो-खो खेळला भूतकाळ विषय आहे. We studied yesterday. काल आम्ही अभ्यास केला. He went to his native place. तो त्याच्या स्वतःच्या गावी गेला. So these are some of the examples of simple past tense. Simple past tense ही काही साध्या भूतकाळाची उदाहरणं आहेत. आता तुम्हाला जर अशी काही वाक्य येत असतील तर तुम्ही हात वर करायचा आणि मी ज्याला विचारेल त्यांनी सांगायचं आहे. यस अक्षरा. ही लॉस्ट हिज नोटबुक. त्याची नोटबुक हरवली. अदिबा क्लोज्ड द डोर. अदिबाने दरवाजा बंद केला. गीता ओपन्ड द डोर. गीताने दरवाजा उघडला. गीता ओपन्ड द विंडो. गीताने खिडकी उघडली.
गीता क्लोज्ड द विंडो.
गीता क्लोज्ड द विंडो. गीताने खिडकी बंद केली. I went to the cinema last night. काल संध्याकाळी मी सिनेमा पाहायला गेले होते. She looked at him. तिने त्याच्याकडे पाहिलं. He lost his pen. त्याने पेन हरवली. पल्लवी opened the door. I played खो-खो. मी खो-खो खेळला.
My brother lost his pen.
My brother lost his pen. माझ्या भावानी पेन हरवली. Now boys can tell the sentences. Boys, wait. Girls, they should take their hands down. Boys, tell your sentences. Boys, who will tell the sentence?
Krishna opened the door.
Krishna opened the door. Girls should keep quiet. Don't speak, girls. Please keep quiet.
Ram opened the door.
Ram opened the door.
Ganesh closed the door.
Ganesh closed the door.
Ganesh opened the door.
Ganesh opened the door.
Govardhan opened the window.
Govardhan opened the window. Okay, now girls will once again tell the sentences. Adiba closed the window. I looked at him. Please keep quiet. Don't speak.
She bought a bicycle.
She bought a bicycle. तिने bicycle खरेदी केली. Please stand up.
Mary opened the door.
Mary opened the door.
I bought an apple.
I bought an apple.
He lost his pen.
He lost his pen.
We went to the cinema.
We went to the cinema.
Parvati opened the door.
Parvati opened the door.
I watched a national play cricket.
I watched cricket.
I bought a car.
I bought a car. I bought a car.
The First World War began in 1916.
1914.
Kirti opened the window.
Kirti opened the window.
Sejal opened the window.
Sejal opened the window.
He lost his tiffin.
He lost his tiffin. Good sentence.
She lost his pen yesterday.
She lost her pen yesterday. He looked at him. Nice sentence. I opened the door. He bought a jeep. He bought a jeep. Good sentence.
Anushka
Anushka opened the door.
He bought a car.
He bought a car.
Samiksha opened the notebook.
Samiksha opened the notebook.
I went to the cinema.
I went to the cinema. Shraddha.
Yesterday was Independence Day.
Yesterday was Independence Day. He watched a cinema yesterday. Nandini opened the door.
She visited to the cinema.
She watched She watched a cinema.
Auntie opened the window.
Aarti opened the window.
Sejal opened the book.
Shejal
Opened the book.
Shejal opened the book.
He bought some orange yesterday.
Okay. He bought some oranges yesterday. She lost her pen.
He lost his pen yesterday.
She lost her pen yesterday.
She bought a watch.
She bought a watch.
I looked at him.
I looked at him. Now girls should take their hands down.
My brother returned at 7 o'clock.
My brother returned at 7 o'clock.
My brother returned 5 o'clock.
My brother returned at 5 o'clock.
Ram lost his pen.
Ram lost his pen. Now boys should keep quiet. Now we will take up girls. Yes. Aarti opened the notebook. Keep quiet, girls.
My sister returned at 8 o'clock.
My sister returned at 8 o'clock.
He lost his pen Sunday.
He lost his pen on Sunday. Durga opened the notebook.
Opened the notebook.
Nandini opened the notebook.
The last him tiffin yesterday.
He lost his tiffin yesterday.
She looked at him.
She looked at him.
Nandini opened the book.
Nandini opened the book.
Pratiksha opened the car door.
Pratiksha opened the car's door.
I wrote the letter for my sister.
I wrote a letter for my sister.
Parvati opened the shop.
Parvati opened the shop. Yes.
He bought a bicycle.
He bought a bicycle.
He bought a car.
He bought a car. I bought a house.
She wrote a poem.
She wrote a poem.
He bought a bicycle.
He bought a bicycle.
He bought a car.
He bought a car.
My brother returned at 10 o'clock.
My brother returned at 10 o'clock.
He bought some apple yesterday afternoon.
Repeat that sentence.
He bought apple afternoon.
Okay, he bought some apples yesterday afternoon.
He lost his book yesterday.
He lost his book yesterday.
He bought his bicycle.
He bought a bicycle.
Vedant opened the tiffin.
Vedant opened the tiffin.
He lost his pad.
He lost his bag.
He lost the bottle.
He lost the bottle.
My brother returned at 9 o'clock.
My brother returned at 9 o'clock. I played Kho-Kho.
Anushka closed the door.
Anushka closed the door.
He looked at
He looked at Swati. He looked at him. Yesterday I looked at a lion.
I bought some cherries yesterday.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.